Joining me now is senior Congress leader and MLC in Karnataka here from the Congress party, Mr. B.K. Hariprasad. So just 10 days before, 12 days before the Republic Day parade that everyone witnesses, Siddaramaiah, your Congress leader and CLP leader in Karnataka, has tweeted today and said that the government of India has insulted the Narayan Guru community. In fact, they have rejected the tableau that was supposed to be with Narayan Guru, and that's the Karnataka tableau. And this time, the union government has rejected it. What do you have to say about it?
This is not the first time they have rejected this tableau. Even earlier, this is the third time the central government is rejecting the tableau of Sri Guru Narayan. Guru Narayan is a great saint of Kerala. You know, he has got his own record. Way back in 1924, there's a big movement of Vaikom, temple entry movement, wherein Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, all have gone and praised him for his immense service. If not Narayan Guru, majority of this people who are suppressed, exploited, would have joined would have gone to either Islam or Christianity in Kerala. Narayan Guru formed his own way of retaining these people in Hindu fold, saying that there's only one religion, one caste, and one God. And he was preaching equality. He was the first man who was preaching equality. Even Ambedkar ji also had a lot of praise for Narayan Guru. It's very unfortunate the people who talk of social justice, people who talk of respecting the Hindu sentiments, or rejecting the man who was solely responsible to stop the exodus of Hindus from its fold to Christianity or Islam. It's very unfortunate. It clearly shows the hidden agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party or the RSS, wherein they don't tolerate anybody other than the people who believe in Manusmriti. This is a very sad part.
And the Congress party has sought apology from the union government and said they should reverse the order and rather take this tableau to the Republic Day parade.
Yes, of course. Central government should apologize. Prime Minister should apologize for the people of this country, and he has got a huge followers. You know, there are Narayan Guru temple in the Middle East, some of the Middle East countries. There are Narayan Guru temple in Europe and US. I myself attended a couple of programs in the Middle East. And Narayan Guru is a very well-known philosopher and a guide of the suppressed classes. And it's high time the central government should rectify the mistakes what they have done. It is not only insult to the Guru Narayan, it is an insult to the millions of the people who follow Mr. Saint Guru Narayan.
So you're telling, sir, this is the third time that the union government has rejected Narayan Guru's tableau, and when was the previous two times, sir?
Yes. You know, the last time, right from 2017 onwards, this is the third time they have rejected Narayan Guru's tableau in the Republic Day parade.
And who do you hold responsible? Do you think the Prime Minister is aware of it, or someone down the ministry have to rectify the mistake? Do you think the top brass of the union government know about it?
The way things are happening, it's very clear. Prime Minister, whether he knows it or not, everything is in the hands of Nagpur University. The RSS is controlling the entire system. Naturally, the RSS rejects anybody other than any other gurus who are not in their fold.
So not just Narayan Guru, even the West Bengal Chief Minister, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, has written to the Prime Minister that even West Bengal tableau was rejected because it was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose tableau. And she's also asked the Prime Minister to rectify the mistakes. What do you have to say about that aspect as well?
No, I agree with what the West Bengal Chief Minister has done. You know, the present dispensation, they want to they're trying to edit the history of this country. You know, they can't do that. And these are all the history wherein the people fought for their self-respect and the freedom movement. And naturally, Bharatiya Janata Party, RSS, doesn't have anybody in their history to say that who fought for the social justice, who fought against the Britishers, who fought for self-respect. these are all alien to Bharatiya Janata Party. Naturally, they reject all the people who fought for this noble cause.
So in fact, it was your government when back in Karnataka that was who started responsible for starting Narayan Guru Jayanti in Karnataka state.
Well, I myself have started, Narayan Guru's seat in Bangalore University. From MP lad scheme, I had given about some amount to start start Narayan Guru seat in Mangalore University, Mangala University. And we have taken some bold steps to propagate the ideology of the Narayan Guru, because he was the one man in the country who said there is only one religion, one caste and one God. He was preaching equality among the Indians.
So one final question. So what would be your final demand from the central government and a message to the central government if you have to give it?
Central government should immediately apologize for the people of this country, and this Republic Day parade should show Guru Narayan in that parade.
Fine. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.